Now you go tell us what really happened. Oh yeah, come. So you just talk what really happened. Me and your baby confront. Me and your baby confront. So tell us what really happened. Just explain for us what happened.
What happened is say I beg, I need help. Because I never see where this kind of thing happen before. I don't commit any crime for Germany. They just come in the midnight around 2 o'clock, just come bother me and my children. Deport us just like that. We not give them any passports. My children, they are aware that they go to school, that they go do everything. International thing for them, that they do everything. But I don't know the reason why they do this kind of thing to us.
The children, wait, madam, the children, not be there you born there.
Not there, I bought them from
so,
Germany.
Is it possible say Germany people now go deport their own citizen?
I don't understand. Me self, I don't understand. I don't know what they want. Where they go Europe, I don't carry any children go Europe.
Now there you born all of them, so
now there I born all of them.
How many years you done there?
I don't spend 14 years, 15 years for you.
What did the people say you do?
I don't do anything. I don't commit any crime. They say because of I don't present a Nigeria passport. How can I present Nigeria passport? How come Nakote deport me? Deport my children? Just like that. Beg, I want to make una talk for this matter. I want to help.
Because all the children now are citizens of Germany now.
Yes.
So for them to even deport them come here, now me no understand because since when they born me rich now, me never hear that kind of say Germany go use their hand to deport their own citizens. Children when they born for Germany, now in Germany say use their hand to deport come Nigeria so, and you say when they take do one and for night they take do one.
Na night in the night I follow the drag. They anchored me, anchored my hand, anchored my leg. Even we talk, we not even take anything. No clothes, no money, nothing. The job can come.
Okay, may your children speak Germany. You understand? So may not be say we just they talk or we just may they speak Germany, may they talk what happen.
Wanna speak?
Wir wollen zurück. Ja, wir wollen zurück.
No, speak the German lad more here. So because we the record down.
Wir wollen zurück. Es war kein Bock hier. Polizei hat uns hier gestern Nacht abgeholt. Ja. Hier hab ich keine Lust.
Speak your German lad.
Hier habe ich keine Lust. Hier zu bleiben. Wir haben hier nichts zu bleiben. Wir haben hier nichts zu suchen. Hier ist viel zu heiß. Ich will das nicht.
So this video now where I did do so, I go post them for Twitter, and then I go also share for Insta blog, and then I go share give Nigerian info. These videos now as I take do them, make them see because I know say as we take spread and so on social media, everybody go know what happen. The woman talk say she no do anything. She just dey house for night. Now German police come take carry am with the children. Children wey she born for Germany, take pack all of them for midnight, take deport all of them, and you know, I never even see no passport, no nothing. They just deport the children. The children are citizens of Germany because Nigeria they take born all of them. So by right, they are all German citizens. So as they can't take deport their also, I just want post and make everybody see, make the whole world see what they happen because we never hear this kind of before. May they see talk their name, may they see know.
I don't know. My name is Joy Mobon. I stay in Germany.
Stop crying. Why are you crying? Mona, they see you. Where you stay for Germany, madam?
I stay for Caswell. I stay. Now there I go. I just stay for Königsberg Stein. I don't know what I do there. They just carry me and my children and throw away for Lagos. And everybody has no place, nowhere to stay. I need help. Because I cannot stay. See all their body, all their hands don't swell up finish. All their body don't swell up. See all their hands.
Now mosquito do us so.
Yes, all of them don't swell up.
No, this is I never I never
They are not used to this Nigeria country.
Where's the cash me now? May the whole world come see you. Mona come see, Mona they hear. How Germany people take deport their own citizens come up for their country for midnight. It never happen, no. Children when they born for Germany. Children when they born for Germany, when they never call Nigeria before, you just wake up one night and they go to the ready for midnight. So our useless Nigerian immigration when the airport, when supposed to even see.
I cut my leg, I cut my hand.
Madam, when you reach Nigeria, waiting our immigration talk, waiting they tell now.
I tell immigration say I better think give me any reason why they say deport me. Why would they accept me? What have I done? What about my children's career? The Nigerian immigration, they said that will not be their problem. Say no concern them. Madam, make them find where you want to go. I said, we don't want to make I go. I stay for there, nobody, they don't tag them.
So in other words, Nigerian immigration, they collect you now without any paper.
Without any paper. Without any paper. They ask me, say, madam, where's your passport? I said, I don't have any passport. When they ask me, say, hey, which one do you use to come? I said, I don't give any passport. I don't know what is going on. But why do you people receive me?
Because they're not supposed to receive you. Because Germany no video deport you with the children where they born for Germany. Deport you come airport. Our Nigerian immigration, we're supposed to go find out why they deport you with the children where be citizens of Nigeria. They say no concern them. So maybe the whole world they see.
Since day before yesterday, we entered this Lagos. My children did not eat anything. They were complaining about stomach pain. I don't know what to do. I'm so frustrated. So I need help.
No wahala. Help go come. Because we don't take the video now. No worry. As we don't take the video now, with the poster. See where this family called this so na Jakode with this so here na Jakode. Here na row for Jakode. The woman where the video so with her children talk say Germany people can't deport her for middle of the night with the children where they born for Germany, where be citizens of Germany. I never hear them before for my whole life. Say where they take born children, country where they take born there, they go come deport there. These children where you see so not be Nigerian so. These children are Germany citizens, no. Now me these children where you see because they born the three of them for Germany. Even the picture where they even take snap for their school, everybody they find them for that side. So this one they illegal. People don't even they call for that side. But I see one call poster for social media. Make the German authority make they take note. The people where do this kind of wickedness, where go deport the honesty come here, make they know where how they go take to them. Maybe they go sack them. But make they still come explain to us how German people go take deport children when they born for Germany, when never come Nigeria before. Make they still come explain give us because we don't understand this kind of level. You know, just they deport people because say they be black. The children are German children, Nigeria they take born all of them.